A few weeks ago, we had the launch of a new product in Galderma's South African portfolio, Sculptra. 120 doctors from all over South Africa came together to learn from the resident experts as well as the international gurus, Professor Alessandra Haddad and Dr. Louise Avelau. And I'm honored to be one of the trainers for Galderma South Africa on this product. The first training after the official launch was held for a group of doctors in Umhlanga. These doctors are now well on their way to mastering Sculptra treatment and giving their patients a phenomenal outcome. We've subsequently done trainings in Johannesburg for doctors as well, and understanding the fine nuances in treating patients with Sculptra is important. And I always start with facial assessment and understanding the patient's needs when I train my doctors. There's a specific skill set necessary for Sculptra, and it's not only technique, but understanding placement of this product. As a biostimulator, it stimulates natural collagen production, leading to treatment of laxity of skin, elasticity. It gives us a natural lift and volumization, treats scarring, pigmentation, and overall skin condition. This really is a product that's going to take the aesthetic industry by storm and bring a revolution to facial enhancement, giving us a natural look that's long-lasting and well worth it.